Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to bypass Cash App is not available in your country or region on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue that Cash App is not available in your region, so let's see how can you fix the issue. Basically, it happens when you are using Cash App and the country or region where Cash App is not available. So how can you fix the issue? So there are some possible ways. The first way is that you have to open your settings app here, go for general, go for language and region, select region, and you have to select the region or the country in which Cash App is supported or available. So I recommend to use United States or United Kingdom here, and once you have selected, you have to select the same city or same country or region and your Apple ID. So open your App Store, tap on your Apple ID, then select account. Now you just have to verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And after that, you have to select the country or region option and select the same country or region which you have selected with your iPhone. And once you have selected, you have to retry with your Cash App, or if you're still having the same issues, so you have to open your App Store here, go for search, or you can try to download any VPN from here. So just select for VPN and you have to try to download or install any VPN from here. Once you have installed, you have to connect with the VPN. So simply tap on this power option or the connect option and it will be connected. So once you have connected with VPN, you will be able to use Cash App in your iPhone or iPad. So in this way, you can easily bypass the option of Cash App is not available in your region. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.